Today I would like to talk about the valves in a high pressure plunger pump. An oil leak or water leak will not stop your system working. However, the valves will stop the system, causing shaking, vibration and a loss of pressure. Therefore today I would like to go through the process of exchanging the valves so your system can get back up and running quickly. The first sign of valves wearing is that the machine will start running rough and the needle on the gauge will be fluctuating. First, the tools you need will be long nose pliers, bull nose pliers, a scriber and a rattle gun with a 32mm socket. You will also need a valve kit. Remove the plugs using your 32mm socket and gun. Use your finger to feel if the valves are tight or loose. If they are loose, then they are worn. Sometimes you may even find the cages broken. Use your long nose pliers and remove the valves one by one. There will be an O-ring seated on the bottom of the chamber. Don't leave the O-rings and use the original, as they can be really hard. Once all valves are removed, check where they seat that there is not excessive wear. Seat your O-ring first. Using grease can help to keep them in position. Place the valve inside the chamber and use your bullnose pliers to seat these onto the O-ring. Do the finger test and make sure they feel tight. They should not be able to move around. This is important as once the lid is on, they are captured, and if they are installed incorrectly, you can crush them. Once all seated, put grease on your cap, inspect the cap O-ring for wear and reinstall with the rattle gun. Turn your pump on for testing and the machine should sound smooth and the needle on your gauge should be firm, not fluctuating around.